Hey crafty people, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to jump on here really quick and show my project share for the swap I was involved in. This was a swap, Easter swap, hosted by Roseberry Scraps and Crafty Caboose, and we were to make two and receive two. So I also made two others for the two hosts that are hosting the swap. I used this Simple Stories Bunnies and Blooms paper, and it is the cutest Easter paper. When I knew I was going to join this swap, I thought about this paper pad. So I used that, and I'll talk about some other things as we go. So here's the basket, and I think it's the cutest thing. I used a tutorial by Crafty Crafts by Deanna, and I will link her channel down below, but I decided to make it out of acetate and just use some of the Bunnies and Blooms paper for trim. Love how it came out. So let me just pull some of the things out so I can show you. So we had to create some die cuts, and some of these were some dies that I had in my stash already. We had to package up a sequin mix, so I just added 2 containers and added a little spoon there and packaged it up really cute in the paper. Here are 2 bows. This was using a little cuddle bow. I will link that down below. Got from Amazon, so I just layered those. And then here's a shaker. This is a Scrap Diva die. I will link that down below as well. And I also included the pieces if you wanted to decorate his face, his eyes, and whiskers. And so I did gift everyone a pen, a beaded pen, and I used these little beads here were from Happy Crafter Shop. I used some of her beads on that project. And oh, the last thing we had to create, we also had to create a memory decks card. And let me move that. And I made mine from acetate. This is a piece of acetate. And I used this cabochon and that bow from Happy Crafter, Lisa. And that trim I picked up from Amazon. Really cute. I love those flowers. Just created some grass, and then I added a little dangle here on the side using some bunny and another little mint flower from Lisa's shop. This fence is actually a wooden fence. This came from Hobby Lobby. I've had it for some time. I still have a little bit of it left. I don't know if I could still be able to get it, but and then to cover up where I added the glue, I just added my sticker on the back. And I thought it came out really cute. I added some eggs, cut out some die cut eggs there. And here's the basket. And oh, on the side is the dangle. And that's where I added the trim, because we had to include 2 pieces of 18 inches of trim.
Yeah.
And so I just added a bead and one of the other little bunny rabbits from Happy Crafter, from Lisa, from her shop. So I really love how it came out. I have a couple of goodies in there for my partners, but they're on their way. I will come back and show you what I received. I think it came out super cute. So thank you for watching, and you all have a great and crafty day. Bye.